You're not putting this on YouTube, are you?
Nope.
Okay, good.
Okay, go.
If I do, I'll seriously
It's
kick your butt.
recording.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I'll seriously kick your butt.
She's gonna eat some cinnamon. Go for it.
Just, if I throw up, turn it off, okay?
Okay.
See that again.
Okay. You won't throw up. Don't think like that.
Okay.
Here we go. How does it feel?
On.
Oh, it smells. Oh! What was that? Oh, it stinks like cinnamon. Stop talking, you're getting rid of it all. You have to swallow it sooner or later. Unless you want it to sit there burning your tongue and your mouth and your nose. Open up wide.
Cross that out.
Nope.
Why?
You have to eat it. Are you really done? Go for it.
Okay, ready?
There
you go. Oh.
Beautiful. Cinnamon wheat thins.
Best.
I know it. And that concludes today's episode of
Kathy being a dork.